tonight for a walk, and I didn't know I was getting invited to an owl party. There's at least 4 of them out here right now. One of them flew up in the tree just above me here. I wish it wasn't so dark. You'd be able to see him. I mean, he's literally right there. And they're talking back and forth. There's at least 2 over here and 2 over here. And they're going back and forth with their hoots. It's like call and response. I've seen so many of them flying around from tree to tree and branch to branch tonight. This is amazing. It really is. Wow. I mean, they're like, guys, they're flying right over me. Oh my goodness. Hoo, 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 hoo. Who cooks for you? They're like, shut up, human. This is owl business. Hey, well, you invited me to your owl party. I didn't know this was gonna happen tonight. Amazing. Truly. This is the coolest night. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. Oh, that really got him going. Hoo, 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 hoo. I'm trying to learn how to speak owl. The barred owl is awesome and comical all at once. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's like they're laughing almost, you know? You guys! Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh yeah. It's amazing. I love their talk. They're just talking. Owlies, I love you guys. Yeah, I see one right there, sitting. I see where he's perched. I don't know if I can get it in the shot. There he is, right there in the middle. He's sitting right on that perch, right in that little circle. That's him. Wow. Y'all are awesome tonight.